Welcome everyone in today's video, and in this video, as you read in the title, I'm going to provide you video editor that can work with almost any computer. Almost any computer means computer with a very low system requirement, such as a 2 GB RAM or a 4 GB RAM. So if you have a 1 GB RAM, maybe this video is not for you, and you need to upgrade your PC. Okay, all right. So the first video editor, it is already installed on your system. If you are a Mac user, then you can try iMovie. If you haven't found iMovie on your system, then go to App Store and download it. It is completely free. And if you are a Windows user, if you are a Windows 8 or previous user, then search for a Windows Movie Maker. However, if you are a Windows 10 user, they renamed it to Window Video Editor, from Windows Movie Maker to Video Editor. So here, as you can see, I'm in the Windows 10, and here in the search I will type Video Editor. So here is our Video Editor app, and this video editor is one of the fastest video editor that you can find for your system. And if it is lagging, then you need to upgrade your system. Okay, so here, as you can see, I will click on New Video Project, and here we are in the editor, where we can edit our videos, type out your project name. And here, let me add a couple of files so I can show you a quick demo. Okay, so I have added a few photos and videos. So as you can see, there is a no timeline. It works in the storyboard. So let me show you. So if you want to add a video, just drag and drop here, and as you can see, the video duration is 24 seconds. So if you want to trim, delete either from beginning or the end, or if you want to split, divide into two parts, then click on that. So this is for trimming, this is for splitting. So I will click on split, and I want to split video here. Okay, then click on done. So it will divide into two parts, and I will delete this part. Okay, and there is a empty space. I will go here and click on remove black bars. So, and then you can add photos or whatever your clip you want to add. So there are a lot of limitation to this video editor. First of all, there is no layer, so you cannot add multiple clips at a specific time frame. So this is one of its biggest limitation. So because it is a storyboard, not a timeline, that's why you can't do it. And another thing is, you can see, I mean, these are your all the features that you can get in this video editor. So you have not no color controls and a lot of other things. I mean, if you are editing a video, no keyframe, obviously we can't expect in the default video editor. However, if you're looking for a video editor to merge two videos, or to create a slideshow of your photos, then it is a perfectly fine editor. Okay, so basically you can merge two videos, you can add a text, and you can also adjust the speed, and there are some filters available as well. You cannot customize these filters, another big limitation. There are some effects. Okay, so for example, we have balloons, as you can see. So these are the effects that you can add to your photo or video. And there is also motion tab, and I don't think it is helpful at all. So if we click on zoom in center, the thing is, you cannot change the default area of the center. So as you can see, it will zoom in the center. Let's check the preview. Actually, I don't think so that it is zooming in the center. I don't know why. Maybe we can try something else. I don't know about you, but I'm not seeing anything at all. So it is also not working, and you can also cannot you cannot customize it. So this is its a limitation. Okay, and you can also add background music or a voiceover. Once you done, you want to export is it as a video, click on finish video, and you can render your video. Okay, the second video editor that you can install on your system is a Moavi. So first of all, Moavi has a couple of video editors. Okay, if I go to Moavi official website, so here it is. As you can see, I have expanded the video, and we have Video Editor Plus, we have a Video Suite, we have Video Suite Business, and we have Clips and Slideshow Maker. You want to go either with the Video Editor Plus. If you are on a very tight budget, it will cost you around $30. But if you can spend a little bit more, then you want to go with the Video Suite. Both are available for Windows as well as Mac. All right, so let me show you its system requirement. There is no big difference between video editor and video suite, I mean their system requirement. So it is available at the end. So this is for the video maker, okay, no, video suite, video maker, it is the same thing. So you only require 2 GB of RAM and you haven't required any fast processor or anything like that. So it can also work on a low system requirement, okay. And I have tried it myself. So there are a lot of features, for example audio synchronize, that I love. I think the biggest limitation that you can find is a keyframe. So you will not get custom animation, you can't do inside the movie. Otherwise you will get everything, you know, custom text template, transitions, whatever you want to do. So it is also screen recorder if you go with the video suite only. If you go with video editor plus, then I think you are not getting screen recording feature. All right, now talk about the last video editor that I'm using from a couple of weeks, that is Camtasia. Okay, from the TechSmith, probably you already know about Camtasia. You know, it exists in the market from a very long time. So Camtasia is I think one of the best video editor, and it requires 4 GB of RAM. However, for the best performance you can go with the 8 GB of RAM. I think with the 4 GB of RAM still you can you can able to edit your videos perfectly. And you're also getting an advanced screen recorder inside the Camtasia. So once the screen recording is done, you can apply effects on the mouse, and there are a lot of things that you can do if you are in the screen recording industry, such as gaming, or maybe you want to create tutorial videos or video courses. Okay, and I think the biggest limitation of Camtasia, it's two. So first of all, it is very expensive if you compare with any other video editor. The Movavi, okay, all the Movavi products, there are one-time cost. Okay, so you are not paying anything extra once you bought that video editor or video suite. It is okay. But if we talk about Camtasia, first of all, it is very expensive. I think $200, and you have also pay and fees for future updates and support. So this is the biggest limitation of Camtasia. The second limitation is you are not getting a lot of controls for the color. I think you are getting only 4 controls: brightness, contrast, and 2 more. I forgot at this time. Otherwise, Camtasia is a perfect video editor. You also getting a keyframe, or also known as custom animation. So you can also do inside the Camtasia. So yeah, pretty much that is for this video. I hope you got value from this video. There are a lot of other video editor, but I try to keep the list short as possible. I hope you got value from this video. If you have any question or query, just let me know by the comment section. I will happy to help you.